Novitas Solutions, a CMS contractor, welcomes you to the On-Demand Education Series. This on-demand tutorial is a general summary that explains certain aspects of the Medicare program, but it is not a legal document. The official Medicare program provisions are contained in the relevant laws, regulations, and rulings. The information enclosed was current at the time it was presented. Medicare policy changes frequently. Links to the source documents have been provided within the document for your reference. This presentation was prepared as a tool to assist providers and is not intended to grant rights or impose obligations. Throughout this module, you will see a citation number behind certain elements of information as shown in the example below. This citation number coincides with the transcript document positioned next to the Play Now icon you selected on the Training Videos Click and Play page on the Novitas Solutions website. The citation and associated hyperlink to the resource described in the module will be found on the transcript under footnotes for each slide.
Novitas Solutions On-Demand Education Series presents PCACE, Backup and Upgrade. What is PCACE? PCACE is a free billing software used for entering Medicare Part A and B claims and reviewing or translating acknowledgement reports and remittance advices. Prior to completing the PCACE installation, providers must verify technical requirements are met for the program and complete the enrollment process. Once the enrollment form is processed, the MAC will issue download instructions and the installation password. Providers must keep this password as it will be required for each quarterly upgrade or new installation. This video will review the backup and upgrade processes. PCACE Backup. Every time the user exits the PCACE software program, this message displays prompting the user to perform a backup. PCACE provides complete database backup and validation to protect the user's system data. All claims, reference files, and system configuration settings can be backed up to removable media such as a flash drive or writable CD-ROM, or a standard Windows directory like a network drive. It is strongly recommended to always keep a recent backup available and always complete the backup process prior to doing a quarterly upgrade. Backup destination. To complete the backup, the user selects the destination drive or folder by clicking on the three dots to the right of the white box and navigating to the desired location. Start backup. Once the destination is displayed, the user clicks the Start Backup button. Complete backup. The user must click OK on the confirmation screen, and the backup program will run. Once the backup is completed, the user is notified via a pop-up box where they must click OK. Quarterly upgrade. In addition to the backup process, upgrades are issued to the PCACE program, released every quarter in January, April, July, and October. These upgrades are important for keeping updated on the most recent Medicare billing codes and should be downloaded as soon as possible to avoid claim rejections. In fact, it's actually a requirement of the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or CMS, for users to use the most current version of the software program and to eliminate the use of prior versions within 90 days of receipt of this notification. Quarterly upgrade notification. The quarterly PCACE upgrade file is available as a direct.exe file or a zipped file on the PCACE upgrade webpage. They are the same program. This just allows the user to select the installation file of their choice, direct or zipped. After the user selects the preferred file type, save and then open the .exe file. Install upgrade. After the .exe file is opened, an installation password is required to upgrade the PCACE software. This password was provided to the user in a previous notification letter. If they do not have this letter and are registered for PCACE, they can contact us to obtain the password. The password does not change and is needed for quarterly upgrades or new installation. Therefore, users are encouraged to keep it in a safe place where it is readily available. Confirm backup. After entering the password, the user will receive this backup reminder window where the user must click Yes to confirm backing up the software before continuing. If the user does not have a current backup, click No to go back and complete the backup process prior to completing the upgrade. Welcome. After confirming a recent backup has been completed, the upgrade wizard screens begin to walk the user through performing the upgrade. The first step is the Welcome window, which also recommends the user exit all programs on their computer, including PCAce. To exit out of PCAce, the user should ensure they have clicked the X in the top right of the main menu to close the program. Once it has been confirmed they have exited from PCAce, the user clicks Next. Start Upgrade. The user is then led to the Start Update screen where they click Next to begin the upgrade. Thank you. The README file screen displays to let the user know the update installed in the service directory. If PCAce has been installed on other workstations, those workstation users will be led through the update process next time the software is launched. To proceed, the user clicks Next. Upgrade complete. This completes the update process for the user and they can click Finish. Backup reminder. A final window is displayed for the user, providing a backup reminder. It is recommended to complete another backup after the update to capture the upgraded version of the information files. The user can click OK and exit any remaining setup windows. The user may now open and use the upgraded PCA software. Resources. There are several PCAce resources found on our website, including user guides, quick steps, and training modules. These resources can be located from the left menu by selecting PCA software under Electronic Billing EDI. Also, a complete help manual is available within the PCA software program. EDI Help Desk. The EDI Help Desk is another valuable resource. The JH EDI Help Desk can be reached by calling 1-855-252-8782 and selecting option 3, and the JL EDI Help Desk can be reached by calling 1-855-235-8073 and selecting option 3. Our providers can also reach our Novitas Sphere Help Desk by calling 1-855-880-8424.
Thank you for attending. We encourage you to visit our website at www.novitas-solutions.com to access additional on-demand resources or participate in our educational events. Visit our Learning Center to access the most current Medicare education.